Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am trying to explaining about how to install PostgreSQL database. So, open any one of your favorite browser. I am opening here Google Chrome. Type PostgreSQL, then open official website of PostgreSQL, postgresql.org. So, you can click on download tab. Then these are the different operating systems available PostgreSQL available for this type of operating systems. Select Windows, then latest version of PostgreSQL is 16. Click on download or installer. So again you need to specify here I'm trying to install on Windows 64-bit. Specify the location where you want to download that file. So depending on the internet speed it will take time. So once it is done, just double click on that file. So go to that location where that file is downloaded. So this is the installable file I downloaded recently, right? So double click on it. So straightforward. So you need to click on SSS. So until unless if you don't know anything, leave everything as a default. So it is trying to prepare to install. Click on next. Where it is installation directory, click on next. So it will install like pgadmin 4 PostgreSQL server command line tools also I want. If you don't want, you can uncheck it. So where the PostgreSQL data, all the database details, table details will be stored, right? That location it is asking. I am leaving as it is in C drive itself. If you want, you can change it. So here it is asking password. So remember this password at the time of connecting to this database, or else you are trying to sign in, it will require. Retype the password. Click on next. Port default port I am leaving as it is 5432. Select the locale to be used by the new database cluster. So I am leaving default. Click on next. Next. Now it is trying to install. So once the installation is done, click on finish. So it will ask some wizard, welcome to Stack Builder. So to begin, please select the installation. Are you installing software from the list below? And your computer connected to internet before processing. So this is the, you need to select that Postgres 16 corresponding version. Then click on next. So these are some add-ons. If you want, you can add it. I think it is not recommended. For developing local development, I think these are add-ons. If you want, you can add it. Otherwise, not required. So you need to close it. Yes. Now, if you can go to that your search bar, type pgadmin. So pgadmin 4. So it is launching pgadmin 4. So at the time of connecting, you need to enter right that password. So whatever password you provided at the time of installing, same password you need to enter here. Save password. Click on OK. So default database will be it will like Postgres only. Yeah, this is the database. So if you want to create database on your own, you can create it. Once you click on the databases, create database, then database name corresponding details you need to pass. So under Postgres database, if you are trying to find tables, what are the tables under schemas, you can find the all tables. So here, so nothing, right? There is no table. So if you want to create manually from by using SQL queries also you can create. So you can use query tool. So here you can play on your own, I mean SQL queries. Then you can click on, I mean here it will execute. So this is about installation about PostgreSQL on Windows. If you like the content, hit on like button and subscribe Programming KT. Thanks for watching.